You give, it can't be replaced. See no one else tell me what to do. That's why I mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is on one in a million. It goes
Criola, 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 Criola.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angela, and today we are back with another Love Me wig install. You already know I worked with them with so many times, and these are just some goodies that they usually put in the box. Some a MIRRO edge brush and this little edge scarf. This is the wig, and I have to say it feels amazing. Now this is a 4x4. I think this is a 12-inch wig. It has the elastic band, the little combs on the side and in the back, and look at this parting. It looks amazing. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray that with Got2b spray, just to make sure that we don't get any bleach on the hair. I'm going to go ahead and apply some developer onto the lace. I just recently started it, and I think it works for me. Now I don't know if it works for you. You can do bleach your hair, knots however you like, but that's what's been working for me. I didn't really film the whole process, but here I leave the developer on, and then I apply some of the bleach afterwards. So let it sit for a little bit. This is what it looks like after. It is a little brashy. I did not have any purple shampoo, but this is what she looked like once she's dry. And listen, the curl pattern is amazing. I went ahead and plugged. This is already lightly plugged, but I wanted to, you know, put my own little spin. And baby, when I tell you, I am getting so good at plugging. Like, this is probably one of the best wigs that I have plugged so far, and I will show you guys what the difference is on how it looks before and after. I literally just go in, plug, and then go back, take another section and plug some more. That's been working out for me, because you already know I don't like it, but this is what it looks like. For some of you guys it's maybe not a big deal, but for me it is. But look at this, nice and clean. That hairline looks amazing. Now here I am, you already know, putting my edges back. I was gonna wear a, you know, hair cap or whatever you call this thing, but then I was like, nah, it's not gonna work because it's gonna be visible. Because it is a 4x4, I always do my edges around it, just in case if I do, you know, flip it to the side or whatever, so it still look cute on the side. You could do, I was gonna cut some baby hair off of that 4x4, but I just decided to leave it like that, to be honest. I did not film the part where I cut the lace, but you guys get the point. So far I went ahead and applied some of the foundation to the lace as well to match my skin a little bit. I feel like I could have applied some more, but this is what we got. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and apply this little band so it can lay, and this is what it looks like. I went ahead and I wiped some of the excess glue off of the wig, and yeah, I mean, this wig is just super simple. It could have been a glueless wig. Now I don't know, for some people when they say glueless wig, it's like you don't actually use the adhesive. For me, glueless wig is when I only use the, you know, the hairspray, the ebony hairspray, which I use the black can. If you guys did not see that, that's my favorite one, because I don't really use adhesive to lay my wigs down. But yeah, this works for me. You can definitely rock this hair glueless. I went ahead and added some water to the hair, and then some mousse, and just to get the curls to pop a little bit more. And I used my hot comb for the front to make it pop a little bit. and look a little more natural, and it helped me a lot. Now I ain't gonna lie, I done burnt myself so many times with this hot comb, but it does the job. I ain't gonna lie. This wig looks amazing, as you guys can see. This is really a quick video for you guys. Look at the curl pattern. I love it. Okay, perfect for the summer. So if you guys are interested in this wig, everything will be down below for you guys, all the details and the direct link. So stay tuned for some more videos, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you did like this video. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.